Welcome, my name is Jörg Faber. I'm Sales Director for Mobile Industrial Robots. We are in the Eschborn office near Frankfurt based, and we are responsible for training, sales and service out of the office. Mobile Industrial Robots is based in Denmark, Odense. We are a manufacturer of AMRs, autonomous mobile robots, a specialty of AGVs. What is special? We are autonomous and we are collaborative, so we are safe in working with human beings. Our product range is from 100 kilograms up to 1,350 kilograms to transport. The challenge for end customers today is the fast-changing environment and demand of automation in areas where only manual operation was available so far. Mobile Industrial Robots has built an AMR solution which is based on ease of use, web-based by technology of programming, and the flexibility and scalability in the solution. We have principled the idea that the end customer has self-sufficient, trained by us and partners to run the robots in a changeable environment, so do the change of program by themselves. This is highly our approach to make it cost-effective for the end user to use the robots in their environment, which would change from now on and in the future anytime by just rearranging machines or end product manufacturing. What is the robot doing? It's basically transporting raw material into assembly and finished good out of the assembly line into storage or dock for customer delivery. XITO and MiR share core values, and that is the ease of use of product in the customer environment. We both stand for the ease of use in the application, so the customer has an automation solution which is cost effective. We'd be proud to be part of the XITO marketplace.